Hello guys, namaste to you all. This is me. Welcome back to you all in 51st video of my daily journey. Today I want to talk about something different. Just like when we teach our students about something, like if we are teaching our students about measurement in grade 4 or 5, what most of the teachers do is they start writing the answers on whiteboard. We all know the answers are given in book. Measurement is the process of comparison of known standard quantity with unknown quantity, right? This definition we write on the whiteboard. Then we start teaching to the student, which I find it's not good, because when I started teaching with the DIY method, the students they learn quickly and their learning is faster. They do not forget that. So how can we create DIY lesson plan? How can we give such scaffolding to our students so that they will be able to create their own answer? Okay. So for example, if you are teaching in our class a measurement thing, so we are not supposed to use the word measurement, unknown, known, process, comparison. We are not teaching to the word. We will induce the students to create this word or find their word or use this word by themselves. Okay. So what we can do at first, we have to start with some real objects. We are going to create answers from concrete to abstract. Okay. So we will give them a piece of a stone. Suppose if it is a piece of stone, we'll tell student randomly a little bigger size, and then we tell the student to find out how much heavier is this. Yes. So students they will tell, some they tell ma'am it is 250 grams, some might tell that this is 300 gram, or some will tell that this is 500 gram, and some few students will tell that we don't know, and few students will tell ma'am this is unknown. Okay, so we find the word unknown. Now this unknown word we write on whiteboard in a large letters. Okay, so unknown. Now tell students, just give them a piece of paper, okay, and tell to the students to find the length of this paper. And this time what students will do, they will quickly find out, they'll quickly take out the ruler of from their bag, and then they will start doing measurement. They will keep the paper and scale in this way aligned, and they will measure it, and quickly they will tell ma'am this is 20 centimeter, this is 10 centimeter, this is 15 centimeter, very easily. Yes. And then what you do, you just act like a surprise. Oh wow, how could you do this? How did you do this? Yes, you could not do with a piece of a stone, but you did with a piece of paper. How did you do this? Then students they will tell, ma'am, here are the values written, here are the values, this is known. Okay, this is known. Then write down the known word on the whiteboard. Okay, now we found known and unknown word. Okay, now we are going to teach and bring out some other words from students. We are not supposed to tell anything. Okay, okay, let's tell them and give them a piece of paper, this a piece of stone, and another hand you keep some known value, a standard value like 250 grams value, and just tell them to do balance, try to balance and find out which one is heavier. Here is 250 gram value, here is a piece of stone, and try them to find out which one is heavier. Yeah, tell the students to do as well. So they might tell this one is heavier, this one is lighter. So just tell them, but what we are doing actually, what this process is. Don't tell them what process also, what we are doing actually. Then they just you just act like you don't know anything. What we are doing this, we are keeping this here, what we are doing. Then students will do, tell that ma'am this is comparison, we are comparing. Okay, we are comparing this, we are doing comparison. Here we, in one hand we have the known value, because here is written 250, and this is unknown value, and this what we are doing, we are doing comparison. This paper is a unknown value and this one is known value. What we are doing, we are doing a comparison. This way you connect and make a chain and sequence. Okay, now we have to tell them this process is not applicable for all. We are going to tell them this is a process, it's not a one time or two time thing that can be applicable for all. So you just give them other example, give them a random piece of a stone, or a piece of, you know, a fruit piece, or a piece of cloth, and then just tell them to find the length of their whiteboard, or the room's length. Then tell them, can we do by same way? Then students, they will tell, no ma'am, we cannot do. Just give them a water bottle and tell them, now find out what is its capacity. They will tell, no ma'am, we cannot do. Then what is this? Is this not same for all? They will tell, no ma'am, this is not same. So what is this? Ma'am, there are different process. They will tell like this. Yes, sometimes you can use some word also by yourself. They will tell, ma'am, this is different process. Okay, so that process word you write on whiteboard. Remember, each word you will write in large letters and just circle them. All right, so they will notice it quickly. So just act like that something has happened, but you don't know anything what it is. Just tell them, we find their known, unknown, process, comparison. What are these? This is, do you have any good word to use for this all thing? And some students, they use the word, they will tell measurement, and sometimes they don't tell. Most of the time students, they don't tell. So just you tell them, okay, I have a better word in science, this is called measurement. We can use a better word, measurement. Okay, so now we will use the word measurement. Now write their measurement in a large letter. Okay, so just in case if the students, they are interested to do this activity again, you give them some pieces, and then after engaging them, tell them, now you write the answer, what is measurement. You tell them to write the definition of measurement. Then don't rub the whiteboard. They will look the whiteboard, there are the words written on whiteboard. They will see the words, and they will create the answer. Measurement is the process of comparing or comparison of known standard. Let's not stand, don't use standard now. Comparison of known quantity with unknown quantity. They'll write this. Just check their answer. If there are some lackings, so you just tell them, in next process you tell them to, it should be like this one is also good, what you did is very good, excellent, we can do in this way also. So this way if we teach to the students, then when they create the answer, you won't believe, they say, they just find that, okay, this is my answer. They feel the ownership of their learning. They think that this is learned by themselves. They think that the answer is created by themselves, and that is very positive sign. All right, so in coming days I will try to make the videos about the importance and physical quantities, non-physical quantities. Okay, saying this, I will end my videos here. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye, good night.